I'm Dan Holmes. Yesterday a gentleman asked me, how do I check the power? I've got a machine that's down in my warehouse somewhere, and I think I've got a blown fuse, but I'm not sure. How do I find that blown fuse? Well, we're standing here at a fusible disconnect, and this is where we're going to start. This is where the power goes out from a main unit out to the machine, okay? Now, in most situations, we're going to abide by all the safety rules, such as a lockout, tagout over here. Okay. But because we're looking for missing power, we need our box to be hot and active. So we're going to open an active box and we're going to check the power on it. You do not want to stand in front of it. Because of arc flash reasons, you don't want to be standing in front of it if there's 35,000 degrees of heat coming out of it when you open it. You don't know what to expect. So open the box and stand aside. Make sure nobody's in front of it or behind you. Okay. When the box is open, you can take your meter and you're going to set it for AC voltage. Okay. Right now this one's dancing all over because it doesn't have a voltage reading. But you want to set it where you can see it. If you've got a light, you can turn the light on. It helps you to be able to see it. And I want to read from this one to this one. Okay, it says I have no power there. I can read from this one to this one. It says I have no power there also. And this one to this one. Those are my three phases. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now because I have no power here, I know that my problem is back that way toward the wall. But if I did have power here, the first thing I'm going to do is shut this down and move back toward my machine that's not working. Now on that machine there's going to be probably an inrush contactor, something like this. This is just a simple inrush contactor, 3-phase. And you're going to check it the same way. You can check it phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. Okay, and you can check it on both sides. If the contactor's closed, it should read the same on both sides. If it doesn't, and one of them reads a little bit low, you can check to see if maybe your contactor's bad by reading across your contactor. The voltage drop across your contactor is going to let you know that that contact field is probably no good and you should replace it. And that basically is how we're going to find a problem with your main power coming into your machine. If you got power going all the way back to your drive and you've checked your drive, then it's time to call field service. And that's it. That's simple as it gets.